Understanding annual, a key word for IELTS success. Imagine receiving an invitation that reads, "You are cordially invited to our annual gala." What does annual mean? And why is it an important word for IELTS learners? Today, we're exploring this common yet crucial term that often appears in both the listening and reading sections of the IELTS test. Word type. Annual is primarily used as an adjective, though it can also function as a noun in certain contexts. Meaning, as an adjective, annual means occurring once every year or relating to a period of 1 year. When used as a noun, it can refer to a plant that completes its life cycle in 1 year or less, or to a publication issued once a year, like a yearbook. Word history. The word annual comes from the Latin word annualis, which means yearly. It entered the English language in the late 14th century and has been a staple in our vocabulary ever since. Antonyms. Some antonyms for annual include sporadic, irregular, and occasional. These words describe events or occurrences that don't happen on a yearly basis. Synonyms. Synonyms for annual include yearly, once a year, and periodic. These words all convey the idea of something happening at regular intervals, specifically every year. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use annual in sentences. The company holds an annual meeting to discuss its performance and future plans. Students eagerly await the distribution of the school's annual yearbook. The annual rainfall in this region has decreased over the past decade. Many people make annual resolutions to improve their health and fitness. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing annual with other time-related words like biannual or biennial. Remember, annual means once a year, biannual means twice a year, and biennial means once every 2 years. Another error is using annual redundantly, such as saying annual yearly event. Since annual already means yearly, this phrase is repetitive. To wrap up, understanding and correctly using the word annual can significantly enhance your IELTS performance. It's a versatile word that appears in various contexts, from business and education to climate and personal habits. Remember its core meaning of once a year, and you'll be well equipped to recognize and use it effectively in your IELTS exam and beyond.